So AKS 31, level 2. Okay. So on this one it says Hank's hot dog stand. Hank runs a successful hot dog stand right across from the arch at the University of Georgia in downtown Athens. Hank has ordered his hot dog buns, mustard, relish, and all other condiments in bulk. So really fun fact, totally relevant. This actually is a hot dog stand in Athens. Like, it's a thing.
Really?
Yeah. Like, there's a guy named Hank, and he sells hot dogs until, yeah. We'll find out. Therefore, Hank has a relatively large sunk cost associated with his business. It averages out to be $950 per week just to keep the cart open. The cost of producing H hot dogs is given by this equation. Hank wants to figure out how much to charge a customer for a hot dog if he wishes to make 25% profit on each hot dog sold. Suppose Hank sold 100 hot dogs in his afternoon. Okay, what is the cost of making this many hot dogs? Okay, so let's answer the first question. Okay, so you've got this equation, right? Let's break down what these two numbers actually mean. What is this 950 coming from?
The cost per week.
The cost of, like, being open, right? Then where is this 45 cents? What does that mean? Produce of hot dog, right? All right, and he's wanting to make a 25 cent profit on each hot dog. So what does he need to do? He needs to take his 45 cents and add 25 cents to it, right? So how much does he need to charge per hot dog? So he's got 45 cents, right, invested. So we're going to take 45 cents plus 25 cents, and that's going to give him how much? 70 cents per hot dog.
Hot dog.
Okay?
So then times 70 by 100 and you got an answer.
So then what you're going to do is Hank sold 100 hot dogs in an afternoon. So how much is this per hot dog? Okay, so it's going to be 70 cents per hot dog. What's the cost of making this many hot dogs? It would be $9.50 plus 0.45 times 100. So if we go into our calculator and we type 950 plus 0.45 times 100, that gives you 995. What should Hank charge per hot dog? He should charge 70 cents. Explain why the average cost per hot dog levels off. At one point, it will level off because he's got to make a profit, right? But he can't. He can't overcharge these people, otherwise he won't make any money, right? Okay? We're going to find an equation for the average cost per hot dog of producing H hot dogs. What do you have to do, Gabby? Okay. And for finding the domain, we would have 0 hot dogs, or we could have, how many hot dogs could he sell? He could sell infinitely many, right? Yep. But he could sell 0 hot dogs. He'd be in the hole. He'd probably go out of business. But he could sell 0 hot dogs. Best way to study for this, okay, is to take your 5A packet and your 5B packet and look at the review guides, okay? And then your 4C packet. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so take your 4C packet, do the review guide. I've also posted the test for 4C on your Unit 4C on eClass. So I would do the review and I would do the test. Okay, so these are the 2 packets that I would really focus on. Then I would go back and I would try the interim review questions and check it with the YouTube videos. You can do really well on this, but you're going to have to do some work outside of my classroom. All right, I need y'all to go. Like, I'm done playing. So, you would do your interim review and then check your answers with the YouTube video. You're going to have to do some stuff outside of class. Me just talking at you is not going to work. You just watching the videos is not going to work. You actually have to do some practice problems. Okay? There's also the Delta Math problems, and I'm going to open those back up tonight. so that you can go back and get some like immediate feedback on them. Okay? And again, I don't know what the interim is going to look like, but I know that the AKS that there will be is on this interim. So all of the AKS that are written out on here is what is going to be on the interim. Please don't come up to me on Monday and say, hey, what's going to be on the interim? Because I'm going to show you this paper. Okay? Questions over there?